How's it going, guys? I just wanted to do a quick little introductory video to this first build that I'm doing. This is going to be a $1,000 or less cafe racer build. And so, short little introduction to the bike. This is a 1982 Yamaha XJ750 Maxim. And I got the bike for $400. And all I had to do to get it running was rebuild the carburetors, which was a $35 kit. I replaced the coils and spark plugs, and the coils were $30. And it started right up and ran. But yeah, that's basically all I've done to the bike as far as mechanical work. Oh my gosh, a bird just flew right by my head. Anyways, so as far as other things that I've done to the bike, I took off pretty much everything off the bike. The gas tank had some pretty bad dents in it, and it had leaks in it. So that will be getting replaced. I got the tank that I'm replacing it with right here. And then I've sort of stripped everything, the suspension, drivetrain, brakes, controls, and I am sort of, I refinished those black. I painted the forks, and that's about it. That's as far as I've gotten so far. And I will be doing more in-depth videos. So I have the parts in for the frame hoop, the seat, the handlebars, the headlight, and the tail lights. So I pretty much got everything I need to get it, pretty much up and running. As far as the, this setup right here, I will be keeping the stock airbox for now. And I will be sort of making covers that cover this section on both sides so you can't see anything. And then I will also, eventually I will be doing pod filters, but just for now, I am going to keep the stock airbox. But as far as I know, this doing the pod filters on these CV carburetors is a huge pain. And I just kind of want to get it up and running. And that's about it for now. So currently, everything that I've purchased, including the bike, I am in $600. And yeah, so, I could probably finish it for $700, I would assume. So that will be way under our $1,000 mark. However, the wiring, I'm not confident with wiring, and the wiring on these bikes is a mess. So I could end up having to order a custom wiring harness, which would be a couple $100. So that will put us at our $1,000 mark, but I'm going to do my best to try and wire it. But yeah, that's about it. I will be doing videos sort of more in depth as I start working on it more, doing the frame hoop, the seat, everything like that. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a quick little introduction video into the bike, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be replacing the handlebars, and then I will do a video on the frame hoop and seat. And then I'll probably do a video on cleaning and polishing the engine, possibly a video on painting the frame, and things like that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe and sort of follow along in the build, that would be great. Anyways, have a great day.